All right. This one is going to be pretty internal focused. But for those who don't know, we currently use Cypress for our end-to-end testing, which is a large part of our strategy to make sure that we can push frequently to production and not break anything for our customers. So I've been doing a POC with Playwright. Multiple reasons. One is Cypress is getting pretty expensive for us and it has some limitations. Biggest ones being it pretty much only works with Chromium based browsers and it doesn't allow for multi-tab. So you get single pane experience essentially. So anytime you want to pop something new open, the tests don't end up working. So I'm going to just run the test. We've only put together a couple and the screen should hopefully explode into a bunch of browsers popping up in just a moment. Uh, really exciting to watch at the end of the day. But uh, one of them over here. There we go. So it's Chrome, Safari, and Firefox all going, and we're doing an embedded experience. So this is a dashboard embedded into an iframe. In Safari, that's the one where it's the most interesting, where it has this weird cookie experience that comes along the way. It seems like I broke a few things as I was doing this. So we're going to ignore that failure for the moment. But um, yeah, so it's going to run the last few tests. And one thing to note also is in doing this, there were a few problems to solve along the way with kind of how we do our seed database right now. Oh, darn it, where did my cursor go? And so here's the test report that we get on the other side. And you can see, sorry, when you click in, you can get a full trace and everything. So you can watch and see what exactly happened along the way, get all the network output, console output, error output, everything along those lines. Along with this, we've kind of updated the seed also, so we can run the tests in parallel. That's the starting mode we're going to go with for Playwright, is trying to make it so that if you're going to do something destructive, you have to be doing it in your own organization, making it super easy to make your own orgs, add dashboards to those orgs, add dashboards with tons of tiles to them, everything along those lines. So working through a lot of that tooling right now as well. And then the tests themselves end up looking pretty clean. I think Elliot and Nate have dealt with, or maybe Gustav as well, dealt with a lot of the like iframe issues within Cypress. And in Playwright, you literally just grab the frame and then can use all of your normal selectors to get items within them. So this is the entire Chrome and Firefox test for loading up an embedded dashboard and ensuring that it works well. So we've got lots of plans still to come with it. We need to add in historical reporting, and the goal is to use Omni to do the reporting for this at the end of the day. And a bunch more to be done with the seed and start to expand the test suite and figure out exactly how we want Cypress and Playwright to play together going forward, but should have the initial bits of this checked in pretty soon. That's it.